Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls on your SUUNTO Wing Open-Ear. You can play and pause a song by pressing one time and the multifunctional button on your left ear cup. So I'm just pressing it and I play a song, I press again and I pause the song. Now you can increase the volume by pressing the plus button on your right ear cup. Right here we have it look like plus, so pressing it and as you can see I increase the volume and I again increase it. And to lower it just use minus button. So pressing it and you lower the volume. To play next track you should press 2 times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2 and I play next track. To play previous track press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Also we can enable or disable or change LED light. So let's open the application to show it to you. We're going this way, and right here we have LED light. So firstly, if you press and hold on the minus button, if you have it disabled, you will enable it. We have it, now I should reopen it, and we have it. To change it, just press and hold again on this minus button. Here we go, it starts flashing. Let me reopen it, and now we have flashing because by default we have constant light. And it's the same with source, so press and hold, it's changing, let's check it, yeah, we have. And after source you can disable it by press and hold the last time, so 1, 2, 3, and we have no LED light here, and right here we also disable it. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!